The biggest problem to make money online on YouTube is create videos. Do you with that? I know, creating a video is a time consuming task. But what if I tell you, you can create a YouTube video in less than 5 minutes? Do you know that you can any article into a video in less than 5 minutes? If you are excited about this, show it to me by liking this video right away. In the next 7 minutes, you will know all the secrets to create content for YouTube just by clicking buttons. This is my promise to you. But you need to watch the video till the end to know it by yourself. Hey everybody, the tool that turns article into videos is Pictory.ai. Once you enter this in your Google, Chrome or any of a search browser, this is where you land in. As you know, this is a freemium tool. That means you can use this tool for free for a limited period of time, and in case you like this tool, you can get any of the paid versions. I am sharing the link in the description box. If you use that link to create an account, you will get access to a lot of free stuff that is currently available. Plus, I will get some commissions which will help me to continue running this channel and identify tools that can help you create content for free within few minutes. To create an account, all you have to do is just go and click free trial, and once you do that, your account would be ready. I already have an account, so I'm just gonna go ahead with login. So the moment you log in, this is where you land in. As you can see, it gives you 4 different options where how you can convert your articles into videos. First is script to video. This is exactly what we're going to use right now. Second is, if you have an article which you have already published, maybe like a blog which you want to turn into a video and put it on YouTube so that you can start building your audience, you can use this. You can already use existing videos and convert those videos using text. Plus, you can convert visuals into a video. So this is a very powerful tool. So for today's video, we're going to convert the script that we created last time using an AI software. And if you haven't seen the video yet, I would suggest you to watch that video so that you know exactly how to create this article in less than 5 minutes. And as you can see, this is a pretty long blog that I've already written on benefits of cycling, and it did not take me more than 5 minutes to create this article. So there are certain features which you can use within this tool. That is, you can highlight the important parts which you really want video to pick up. So to do that, all you have to do is just highlight any of these sentences and press highlight. So when you highlight any particular sentence, you are giving instructions to this tool that this is something which is really important and I want a video which is similar to this. So I have highlighted all the important lines within this blog that I've written. I want this tool to provide me visuals and videos that are making sense and are aligned to this content. Once you've highlighted these important points, all you have to do is press proceed. The moment you press proceed, it gives you 3 options. For creating a video on YouTube, you always have to use 16:9. If you are looking for a video or an advertisement on Facebook or other aspects, then you can always go ahead with square. And if you are looking to make videos for Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, 9:16 is what you gotta go ahead with. Since you are making a video on YouTube, I'm gonna go with 16:9 and let the tool do the magic, and you just sit back and relax. So this usually takes couple of seconds for this tool to create this video. While this tool is creating the videos that you are looking for, I would suggest you to please like the video, comment on the box that what exactly you learned from this video. Doing all of this will only increase my motivation. It will help me create content for you guys. The tool has done its own magic. This is something which I love about this tool. As you can see that all the sentences that we have highlighted, the tool has given us a video for each of those sentences that we highlighted. And if you see that the kind of visuals this tool has provided is very much aligned to the content we have provided. But this is not where the story ends. So if you want to make some changes, on the left side, this is where you can do all the changes that you are looking for. So let's say I want to create I want to find another video which is aligned to this specific text. I just have to go on visuals, type the keyword that you're looking for, and this tool will help you with more visuals that you can include. All you have to do is just press any of these visuals and this visual will get replaced by the existing one. So this is really helpful for you to make those changes and create the video which you're looking at. You can delete any of the existing clip that you already have. If you don't like it, you can just delete it. You can trim the video. More importantly, you can actually add voiceovers. So now once the video is ready, there are only two more steps that I need to do. I need to convert that script into an audio file. So I'm going to record the audio voiceover in my own voice and just attach it to this video. And then more or less my video is good to go. So for this, I'm going to go ahead with generate. You have to press video and instantly your video will be generated. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel so that you get to know that how to create content at scale using YouTube automation strategies. Thank you so much. This is it from my side. See you in the next video where I'm going to teach you how to create a thumbnail for this video for your YouTube channel. That's a very important aspect of uploading videos on YouTube. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.